Welcome back to Technology Talks. Today, let's explore something truly exciting in the world of handheld gaming, the ASUS ROG Ally 2. Now, this isn't just a small update. It's shaping up to be a serious evolution in portable gaming. Let's start from the beginning. ASUS has been making waves in the gaming space, especially with its ROG lineup. Last summer, they released the ROG Ally X, a mid-cycle refresh that improved a few things. We got a bigger 80-watt battery, more RAM, and larger storage options, but the processor didn't change. It still used a AMD Z1 Extreme chip. This chip, to be fair, was quite powerful. It still beats many newer chips from Intel, but that version of the Ally felt more like a slight improvement than a real step forward. Now, things are changing fast. AMD has released a new generation of processors, and ASUS seems ready to take advantage of it. That brings us to the upcoming ROG Ally 2. Let's break it all down, piece by piece. Two main models from everything we've gathered. The ROG Ally 2 will launch into different versions. Let's start with the white model. This version is expected to be the budget-friendly option. It's made for casual gamers, people who want to enjoy popular games and indie titles but don't need all the bells and whistles. The processor in this one is the AMD Z1, not the Z1 Extreme. It has fewer CPU cores and is built on an older architecture. Some people are worried about this chip. Is it strong enough? Will it lag? Well, here's the thing. Not everyone needs maximum power. If you're playing indie games, platformers, or even lighter AA titles, this model might be all you need. A good comparison here is the Lenovo Go, as it uses the same processor and runs most mid-range games just fine. So, the white model could hit a sweet spot. Affordable, portable, and still capable. But then there's the black model, and that's where things get really interesting. The powerhouse Black Modelphus is clearly the high-end version. It's aimed at serious gamers, people who want a full experience without compromises. It's expected to be powered by AMD Z2 Extreme APU. This chip uses the new Zen 5 architecture. That means more power, better energy efficiency, and smarter heat management. Early testing suggests a 15 to 20% boost in performance compared to the Z1 Extreme. That's not a small number. It can mean smoother gameplay, faster load times, and better responsiveness in demanding games. This model could also come with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. That's a huge amount for a handheld. It's not something you see in most compact gaming devices. RAM like that allows you to multitask with ease, switch between games, apps, and even do background tasks without slowdown. And there's more. Storage options might go up to 4 TB. That's not just big, that's enormous. You could install massive open-world games, keep multiple save files, download updates, and still have space left if you're someone who doesn't like deleting games to make space for new ones. This is a dream setup. Need design direction. Let's talk about the look and feel. ASUS has gone back to the drawing board with this one. Gone is the flat, sharp-edged design of the previous models. Instead, we're getting something chunkier, more ergonomic. The early leaked images show stronger curves and rounded grips. Some people even say it looks like a mix between a modern console and a classic Nintendo 64 controller. And honestly, that's a good thing. Gamers often spend hours holding these devices. Comfort matters a lot. This new design focuses on better hand grip, improved balance, and a natural feel. You won't have to strain your wrists or fingers during longer sessions. It's made to be comfortable, especially during travel or commutes. Even with the new design, the screen size remains at 7 inches. That's a smart decision. It keeps the Ally to compact and travel-friendly. It's small enough to carry around, but still large enough for immersive gameplay. Compared to bulkier handhelds like the Steam Deck or the ASUS devices, the Ally 2 might just offer the best mix of power and portability, battery, and fast charging. Let's get into one of the biggest concerns for handheld gamers: battery life. While ASUS hasn't confirmed the exact size of the new battery, here's what we do know. The black model will support 100-watt fast charging. That's a game changer. Fast charging means less downtime. You can plug it in during lunch, and by the time you're ready to play again, it'll be almost fully charged. And because the new AMD chips are more energy efficient, your battery should also last longer. Especially during low to mid usage like indie games or cloud-based play, this combination, longer battery life and quick recharge, could make the Ally 2 ideal for both home use and on-the-go sessions. No more waiting hours just to jump back into your favorite game. The Xbox button mystery. One of the most surprising rumors about the ROG Ally 2 is the new dedicated Xbox button found on the black model. Why does this matter? Well, some are speculating that ASUS might be partnering with Microsoft on this device. Here's why that's important. Most handheld Windows devices struggle with the user interface. Windows is powerful, sure, but it's not made for small screens or gamepad navigation. That's why SteamOS has become so popular. It's clean, simple, and works like a console. If ASUS introduces a custom Xbox-style interface on top of Windows, it could solve this problem. That means easier navigation, a cleaner interface, better support for Game Pass, cloud gaming, and cross-platform play, and that Xbox button. It could be a shortcut. One tap and you're in the Xbox dashboard. Just like an actual console, this would bring the best of both worlds, the flexibility of Windows and the simplicity of a console experience. For Xbox fans, this could be the handheld they've been waiting for. Who is this for? So, who exactly should consider the ROG Ally 2? If you're a hardcore gamer, someone who wants cutting-edge hardware in your hands, the black model is for you. With its powerful Z2 Extreme chip, 32 GB RAM, and massive storage, you're getting near PC performance in a portable form. And for those who just want to enjoy lighter gaming without spending too much, the white model might be the perfect fit. It's affordable, compact, and still plays a large library of games smoothly. From casual titles to older AA hits, it offers great value. This kind of two-pronged release is smart from ASUS. They're giving options. One for enthusiasts, one for everyday gamers. And both models share that redesigned ergonomic body, clean display, and easy portability. Competition and the market. It's also worth looking at where this device fits in the current market. The Steam Deck has been leading the way for Windows-based handhelds, but it's bulky and heavier. It runs SteamOS, which is great for Steam games but limits flexibility. The ROG Ally 2 runs Windows. That opens the door to thousands of apps, emulators, and launchers. Yes, Windows has its flaws on small screens. But if ASUS does add an Xbox-style layer to simplify things, it could solve that issue. Then there's the Lenovo Legion Go, a strong competitor. But it's newer and still working out some design quirks. The Ally 2 could learn from all of these and deliver something cleaner, smoother, and more powerful. And let's not forget ASUS's history in the gaming world. Their ROG brand is trusted, and they've shown they're serious about handhelds. If they can hit the right balance between price, power, and usability, the Ally 2 could lead the next generation of portable gaming. Wrapping up section on Neso 2. Summarize, the ASUS ROG Ally 2 is coming in two versions, a white budget model and a black performance model. The white model is affordable, uses the Z1 processor, and targets casual gamers. The black model is a powerhouse, running the new Z2 Extreme chip, possibly up to 32 GB of RAM and 4 TB of storage. Both feature a completely redesigned ergonomic body. Screen size stays at 7 inches, portable and just right. Fast charging up to 100 West means less downtime. Rumors suggest a closer tie-in with Microsoft and Xbox, possibly leading to a more console-like experience on Windows. Overall, the Ally 2 is shaping up to be versatile, powerful, and ready to set new standards in handheld gaming.